My name is Inderpreet Kaur, BCom Sem 4 K1 of HMV Jalandhar. Today I am here to represent my topic sugar industry. Firstly, I would like to express my special thanks to Principal Ma'am Professor Dr. Ajay Sreen and Head of Department Dr. Kavaldeep Kaur for encouraging me, and also thank to my teacher Mrs. Binu Gupta Ma'am for continuous support and give guidance. So let's start the topic. The content of topic: introduction, history, location, factor, position, problem, SWOT analysis, key risks, and so on. The first is introduction. As we know, sugar is the common product found in kitchen. Sugar are an important source of energy, with glucose being the most important for the body. The brain requires around 130 gram of sugar per day to keep functioning. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. According to Foreign Agriculture Service, there are 732 sugar mills in India and total sugar production capacity 34 tons of sugar. The next is history of Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited was incorporated on 23 November 1931 under the name of Hindustan Sugar Mills Limited. Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited was started by Jamna Lal Bajaj. The first plant was Gola Gokurnath district, Lakhimpur Kheri in Uttarakhand Pradesh. This area is rich in sugarcane. The next is location of sugarcane. Sugar industry. Location of sugar industry is very important in production of sugar. The sugar industry is a material oriented industry and usually located in middle of sugarcane producing area. The cost of transporting for exceeded the cost of transporting sugar. The location of industry. 10 tons of sugarcane makes only 1 ton of sugar. 10 ton is equal to 9071.847 kilogram. In 1 ton, 907.185 kilogram. Next is factor affecting sugar storage. There are many factors that affect the storage of sugar, like temperature, moisture, quality of sugar, light, grain size of distribution, and compression. Next is Bajaj Hindustan Sugar position. Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited has 14 sugar plants having aggregate crushing capacity 1,36,000 TCD and aggregate capacity 800 KLD, about 15 MV of surplus power. Next is problem of sugar industry. There are many problems are come during the production of sugar, like low yield of sugarcane, short crushing season, fluctuating production trends, low rate of recovery, high cost of production, competition with Kansari and Gur, small and uneconomic size of mills. The next is SWOT analysis. First, strength, higher end product prices. Sugar is the main product of sugar mill, which is most likely to record prices. In recent past, the mill have undergone capacity leading to higher productivity. Favorable policy. Like any other industry, sugar mill have more liquidity crunch, which can be met through Sugar Development Fund of the Government of India under special case scheming. Weaknesses: fall in derivatives. The fall in prices of derivation like ethical waste will also have adverse impact on all the company. Currency risk. Most of the companies have exposure in form of loans. Imports will be losses in event of rupees depreciation. Opportunities. Seasonality. Sugar follow 3-5 year cycle, which is the function priced. Now the situation of lower production and higher consumption will fall, which call higher to the farmer, attracting higher coverage under sugar cane. Crude oil revival. The revival in crude oil prices will throw this industry into limelight again. The product of cane in demand and supply is higher. Threats. Low cane availability, limited canes will even lead to earlier closure of mills. Alternate crops. Alternate crops to sugar cane are most profit. Higher debts. The fund-raising capability of most of existing companies in this sector are under serious threat. Ongoing tight liquidity, unfavorable policy. The call for change in policy will now inflation route only. The since curing supply government has already relaxed for imports which are acceptable at zero. The next is key risk raw material. Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited has continued on can quality promotion and continue investing in can variety development. Since last 4 years during the period October-September, the result continue increase. In this table, October-September sugar is continue increases. The next is production and consumption of sugar. In this graph, the production and consumption of sugar are shown. Brown indicates production and orange indicates consumption. In 2014-15, production is high and consumption is less. In 2015-16, production is high and consumption is less. In 2016-17, consumption is high and production is less. In 2017-18, production is high and consumption is less. In 2018-19, consumption is less and production is more. In 2019-20, the production and consumption is equal. Now I am here discuss about how sugar is manufactured. There are some steps for manufacturing of sugar. Manufacturing process. Sugarcane undergoes many processing in order to produce sugar that has good in both quantitative and qualitative. These are following steps: transporting of sugar, washing, cutting of canes, shredding, milling, clarification, filtration, crystallization, separation, refining, drying, storage and packaging. The first step is manufacturing of process is washing, cutting of canes and shredding. Washing of sugarcane before processing, removing the dirt. Cutting operation is the first operation in industry. Cutters are mechanical equipment which is used to cut the canes into desired size. Shredder is used to remove leaves and undesired solid particles from canes. The second step is milling. Milling is process of crushing the sticks of sugarcane to extract the juice. The shredder can is through a series of crushing milk to extract the sugar rich juice. They consist 3 rollers mill connected in series: top roller, feed roller, discharge roller. These used to extract the juice from crushing sticks. To make the milk process more efficient, the poor juice of subsequent milling are reprocessed and hot water is applied in the last milling to increase the extraction. The third step is clarification. The clarification process is sludge, mud, suspended and colloid particles are removed by some chemical compounds. Raw cane juice are filled in clarified with the help of many chemicals. When these chemicals are mixed, suspended and colloid particles are collected in fog and resulting settle down. Neat and clean juice come out from upper section of clarified and stud and mud are collected in bottom and drainage to rotated filter. The next step is filtration. Clarify mud from the clarify further filter in rotated filter. You can see this picture. Mud and stud are sticked on faceberry of rotating drum by action of section. Solid cake removed from the drum by Dr. Blade. The next is crystallization. In this field of engineering, crystallization process considered as mass transfer operation. Pure form of substance is obtained. The object of process is usually recover the solid from the. Next is separation and centrifugation. Separate sugar molasses. Centrifugate operate at 100 to 1800. Molasses pass through purifcation. Supercritical sugar crystal are washed with 85 degrees Celsius water. Raw sugar and molasses produce. The next is refining. A sugar refining is the refining which processes raw sugar into white sugar. Refining process contains 3 steps: oxidation, dissolving of some surface impurity, carbonation, removing further impurities that precipitate from solution with chemical carbonate, char filtration, removing further impurity with active carbon. The next is drying. Drying is very important mass essential mass transfer operation in processing sugarcane into sugar. The wet raw material from centrifugate goes rotated dry to remove the water. To reduce the moisture using hot air 110 degrees Celsius which flow concurrently with sugar. The next is storage and packaging. Packaging is the final process of sugar manufacturing process. Container, airtight, moisture proof, glasses, canning, jars, cans or for liquid sugar. There are some major sugar producing countries last 3 years. First is Brazil, second India, third China, fourth Thailand, fifth USA, sixth Mexico. There are 6 countries which are major sugar producing country last 3 years. The next is current year 2018-19 sugar balance sheet of Bajaj Hindustan. Opening balance October 19. Estimate sugar is 307 lakh tons. Sugar available during season 414. Estimate sugar consumption 260. Estimate export 30 lakh. Closing balance sheet 124.2 lakh. Next is government takes steps for sugar industry problems. Food Minister said there is a proposal to increase import duty on sugar from 15% to 40%, but there are to move increase the rate 4 to 5 per kg. The government had decided to provide sugar loan 66 crore to pay payment of dues and cane growers. Next is controlling sugar supply in market. On one hand, sugar fixed minimum selling price of sugar. On other hand, imposes reserve stock limited on sugar mill to control supply of sugar in market, so that sugar mill are able to realize MSP prices. Sugar year 2017 or 18. Government poses stock limited on sugar mill for the month of February 2018 with the detail of limit as under. In Feb 2018, at the end of Feb, mills will required to keep as follow: 83% of closing stock of last days of January plus sugar produced during the Feb month. Sugar export. Next is sugar year 2018-19. Sugar reimpose reserve stock on sugar mills, stating that all the producer of sugar of by vacuum pan process shall hold such quantity of sugar at the end of each month as may be specified by the central government for each month to arrive at the figure of stocks which sugar mills were required to carry at the end of each month. Sugar mill were given monthly sales quota above which sugar mills cannot sell the domestic market. At the last, not the least, the trader and the export of sugar shows the interconnection of world through one product. This ensures that consumption and use of sugar which is in demand for more production. The interconnection of sugar is led by the farmer who farm sugar cane product, the worker that work in refining process. Thank you.